Myself, Dr. Lokesh Kumar Saini. I'm working as Associate Professor in the Department of Pulmonary Medicine and Division of Sleep Medicine at AIIMS Rishikesh. As you all know, that sleep-related breathing disorders are very common and they form the major chunk of patients in any sleep clinic or sleep laboratory. So in my lecture, we will discuss about respiration and sleep. So at first, I'll explain about respiratory physiology, what changes are happening during sleep, and we will briefly touch upon few of the important topics like arousal threshold, apnea threshold, CO2 reserve, loop gain. And in sleep-related breathing disorders, I'll discuss about obesity hypoventilation syndrome, its pathophysiology, diagnostic and management approaches, and briefly about COPD and OSA overlap. Then we will discuss about role of NIV in neuromuscular disorders and overlap patients. And at last, I will discuss about role of oxygen therapy in patient with sleep disorders and nocturnal hypoxemia also. So I hope the lecture will be informative and we will discuss and learn from each other. So let's meet in the class. Thank you.